Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you find my channel educational and entertaining, check out my Patreon page. You can support the channel for as low as only $1 a month. Thank you so much for watching today. Disney, Beauty and the Beast, Belle's surprise. Each day, Belle gets to know her new home, the Beast's castle, a little better. Her favorite room is the library. One morning, Belle finds a book on a library chair. "That's the master's favorite," says Chip the teacup. "He reads it all the time." "One of the pearls on the clasps is missing," says Belle. She wants to do something nice for the Beast. "Let's find the pearl so I can fix it." Belle and Chip search everywhere and find one shining, perfect pearl. Belle gets to work. She cleans the book's cover. She straightens its pages. She polishes its clasp. Then she puts the book back on the chair. When the Beast enters the library, he walks right past the book. He's looking for something else. "Can I help?" asks Belle.
"No,"
bellows the Beast.
Sorry. No, thank you."
The next morning, as Belle polishes the clasp, again, the Beast bursts in.
"You've had the pearl all along?"
He yells.
"I've been looking everywhere for it."
"Why didn't you say so?" Belle replies. "And there's no reason to yell. I have it because I've been fixing your book as a surprise." For a moment, the Beast looks shocked. Then he laughs.
"Belle, wait, please,"
says the Beast.
"I've been working on a surprise too. I wanted to add the pearl to this pin. It's a gift for you."
Now it's Belle's turn to laugh. "Our hearts were in the right place," she says, "even if the pearl wasn't. Thank you." Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other Disney stories. Thank you so much for watching today. See you all next time. Stay safe.